I'm Joe Tyler, and we're here with Buckwheat of Kilimanjaro and Blue Joe of Bolivia, who are parrot heads. Well, sort of members of the Jimmy Buffett Florida theme park, Margaritaville. Take it away, Kathy.
Nibbling on
Sponge cake, watching the sun bake. All those tourists covered with oil. Strumming my six string on my front porch swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Wasting away again, Margaritaville. Searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's nobody's fault.
Don't know
The reason, stayed here all season. Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. But it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. How it got here, I haven't a clue. Wasting away in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame. Now I know, hell, it could be my thought. I blew out my flip-flop, oh no. Stepped on a pop-top. Cut my heel, had to cruise on back home. But there's blues in the blender, and soon it will render. That craze throws in caution that helps me hang on. Wasting away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame. I know it's my own damn fault. Yes, and some people claim that there's a woman to blame. And I know it's my own damn fault. Thank you guys for hanging in there with the Buckwheat Blue Joe Show channel today for your entertainment.